This tutorial will show you how to register for Chart's MVIP modulator. In this session, we're going to talk about the browser preferences. We'll then go to chartindustries.com. I'll show you how to navigate to chartparts.com. We'll then fill out a profile. I'll have you check the modulator access box. That will then send an email to me, the administrator. I'll then set up your relationship. I'll set up your discount. I'll send you an email back so that you can get started. Alright, a little bit about browser preferences. I'm using Internet Explorer today, but we've also tested the latest versions of Google Chrome as well as Firefox. As long as you're using the most current version of any one of these three browsers and Safari as well, you'll be able to enjoy the full functionality of Chart's modulator. Okay, so the first thing that we'll do is have you navigate to www.chartindustries.com. This is Chart's homepage. I'll then have you scroll down to chartparts.com. There's a link here at the bottom. Otherwise, you can just type in to your URL, chartparts.com. Okay, so once we're at chartparts.com, you'll notice I want to point out a couple things here. First, note that there's 6 tabs at the top of the screen. This will change once you've registered for the modulator. There'll be another tab here that will say modulator. Okay, that said, you'll see the link right here at the top called MVIP modulator. I'll have you click that. That'll then take you to a page that really gives you an overview of the 4 steps. There's some features and benefits here at the top, but then there's the 4 steps to using the modulator. Basically, the design qualification, the drawing grid, there's then a pick list, and then finally the proposal generation. Towards the bottom of this is also where we'll keep our training videos. So right now there's just one out there, but we'll be adding more videos to this. Okay, so click the Sign Up Now button. This will take you to a pretty typical registration. If you already have a chartparts.com account, go ahead and enter it here. In that case, all of this information should have been filled in already for you. But if you are an existing user, make sure you click the MVIP registration box. This will send an email to me so that I can grant you access to the modulator. But it's pretty typical information, just first name, last name, company, email. There's some addresses. You want your address, and that's pretty much it. So make sure you check the box and then click register. Okay, so once you click the register button, an email will be sent to me basically notifying me that you're interested in access to the modulator. This email will just include your first name, your last name, your email address, and then your username. Okay, so once I get your email, I'll basically set up 2 things. I'll set up your relationship and I'll set up your discount. To set up your relationship, I need to know if you're an inside Chart employee or if you're external to Chart. I'll also need to know if you have a supply agreement with us or not. If you're an end-use customer and new to Chart, we will probably set you up as a customer. If you're a partner of ours, we'll set up a different relationship with you. Secondly, I'll set up your discount. And the discount is really based upon the volume that you do with us. I'll always try to give you the best discount I can. If you're an end-use customer that doesn't do a lot of business with us, you'll get a smaller discount as opposed to a customer of ours that's a partner that's been in business with us for years. They typically get the better discount. Okay, so the last thing that I do is I'll send you an email back that basically notifies you that you're all set up with access. Your discount is there, and that I hope you'll use the modulator often. So once you receive this email, you will be able to log into the Charts Modulator. Alright, now that you have received the email notifying that you have access to the modulator, you'll have to navigate back to chartindustries.com. We'll then have you go to chartparts.com. In the chartparts.com, you want to click the sign in button. Here I have a preloaded username and password that I'll enter in. So now you can see here that I'm logged in, and like I said before, there's a new tab here. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs instead of the normal 6. So this is really showing you that, yep, you are set up, you've got the modulator access. You can click on that tab. It'll then take you to the modulator site. And the modulator site here, I'm logged in as the administrator here right now, so you won't see all of these columns, but this is really where you will start to do your projects and where you'll start to do your designs. And we'll have some more sessions on that in another training session. Okay, so this concludes our second training session on how to register. The next session will be how to set up pricing.